Chicago has seen a spike in confirmed COVID-19 cases and deaths, and that has put severe pressure on the city's healthcare resources.
It's obviously very overwhelming. We're used to dealing with a lot of really sick people, but because there are so many patients, it is kind of amplified. So I think mentally it is, it is difficult.
Patrice Rosenberg is an ICU nurse at Northwestern Memorial Hospital. She agreed to an interview with CGTN in order to share her experiences on the front lines of the pandemic.
These people are coming in, they're really sick. It's a viral pneumonia. Putting them on a ventilator, letting their lungs rest. We're using a lot of, medications to make them sleepy, make them comfortable. Sometimes we'll have to kind of minimize their movements because the less your body is fighting against, the breathing machine, the better.
Although shortages of important personal protective equipment has become a major concern at some hospitals, Rosenberg says that is not the case so far at Northwestern.
We've had support for each other. We've had each other's backs kind of going into this. And it's just kind of amplified, I think, as this pandemic has just kind of progressed. People have been stepping up that, previously maybe weren't leaders, but are stepping up as medical ICU nurses to kind of show others the ropes.
Around the world, healthcare workers are putting their own lives in danger in order to carry out their work. Each day, they run the risk of being exposed to COVID-19. Already, thousands of doctors and nurses in the US have tested positive for the virus, taking key people away from the front line.
I can't go down. I can't get this virus. I can't get this and be one less, member of the team to be able to, help get these patients through.
As each new day begins, healthcare professionals are continuing the exhausting process all over again, testing, caring, saving lives when they can. But the message from nurses to the public is clear: stay home to save more lives. Don't swamp the healthcare system more than it is already. Dan Williams, CGTN, Chicago.